The fuse, a small product that carries a lot of responsibility. A little hero that is willing to be sacrificed to protect the key components of the electrical infrastructure anytime it is needed. One of the leading components that accompanied the development of electrification, patented in 1890 by Thomas Edison. Over the years, fuses have been consistently developed and modernized, and we are proud to be a part of this important story. We are celebrating the 90th anniversary of our presence in the high-voltage fuse industry. ABB and fuses have made a long journey together, which started at several sites in Europe. These were sites in Brno in the Czech Republic, Skien in Norway, Ludwika in Sweden, and Poland, where Warsaw and Międzylesie were the first locations where fuses were produced. Then there was Lemborg, and from 2002 also Przasnysz. In Poland, the history of fuses began in the electrical apparatus factory founded in 1918 by the engineer Kazimierz Szpotański. After 1945, this plant was transformed into Zwar and in 1998 was incorporated into the ABB Group. And how has our hero, the fuse, changed over the years? In the 1930s, a complete high-voltage fuse produced in Poland consisted of a cast-iron plate with two support insulators. The fuse link was a Bakelite tube with two contacts and one silver fusible strip. In the 1960s and 1970s, the prototype of today's CEF fuse was created in Norway and Sweden. These were the SHA and CDGC models. Like almost all designs from that period, they had fixed dimensions. The fuse element was wound on the insulating core, and the fuse link had a compact housing that could also be sealed. The striker has also become standard equipment. In Norway, the 1980s brought further development of the fuse family. New developments included the CEF-S fuse with fast characteristics, a CMF fuse for the protection of motor circuits, and the first Versa limiter BB1 type design for the US market. 2002 saw a significant move. The production of fuses was relocated from Skien, Norway to Przasnysz in Poland, where the history of the fuse was already 70 years old. Since then, Przasnysz has become the only ABB center in this part of the world responsible for the development, production and sale of high-voltage fuses compliant with IEC requirements. Another important date for Przasnysz is 2009, when the TCU temperature control unit was used in the fuses. In 2014, sealing for outdoor conditions became the standard, and in 2017, the CEF fuse was adapted to the increasing requirements of leading power utilities in Europe. The years 2019 and 2020 marked the development and improvement of CEF, VT and WBP-type fuses for voltage transformers. And today? Today, our fuses are delivered to customers all over the world. Our products comply with the latest fuse standards, which is confirmed by the Certificates of Compliance. Every day, millions of our fuses protect the electrical infrastructure in countless applications around the world.